Hello, beautiful Raptor family. I hope that you are doing great and that you are having great times transitioning into the winter time. I started a series that is being monthly recorded. It's sort of a vlog, so it's not a vlog, it's more like an update, so you would know what's going on with the whole channel and all the products that we have out there, or I have out there, for generating the 3D and also 2D NFTs. So as you have probably noticed, I'm releasing a few of the videos nowadays on the Raptor Ultra that I've been working on for several months. It's been a lot of engineering and also thinking how it could benefit the users in terms of the whole process, from putting the traits in there and then setting up all the rarity and then do the Ashley generation, getting the JSON and also GLB files. So I hear and get a lot of feedback on any of those features, as well as a lot of questions on certain functionalities. So the Raptor Ultra is really the highest and will be the highest ever version of the Raptor. So don't worry, if you get a Raptor Ultra, there won't be anything else above that. Yeah, that's just something that I wanted to clarify. And then it's still, it has a lot of many features in terms and in comparison to the others. So for example, the rarity of traits don't get reset whenever you kind of analyze the whole attribute and trait collections to get the new ones get recognized by the Raptor. And there's also a generation seed, which is a number that is tied with with an order of the combinations that you generated, which means that you can regenerate the same collection over and over again with just setting this generator seed. So if you would like to get a new set of the collection, or set of the order of the combinations, you would just change. It's running low battery, just gonna plug it in. And so this is something that is hopefully useful. Then these were the main sort of functionalities beside the ultimate one, which is the precise rarity number. So that means that from let's say the Raptor Max, where you just put a rarity sort of percentage and you just hope to get, let's say, 1% of one of your traits to be in the whole collection. Whereas now in the Raptor Ultra, we are able to set an exact number, which actually will be then generated with those traits that you have in there. So that's, I think, a huge benefit if you are someone who is more kind of a geek in terms of getting the exact numbers that you want and the exact rarities. So I think that's something that was really hard kind of knock down, because the whole combination thingy is really not that trivial. And then with setting the exact numbers for each of the trait, there is also something that is called rule settings, which means that you can exclude or even include certain traits to be either combined or not combined together, right? So if you had, let's say, a male or female base of your let's say PFP NFT, then you could tell the Raptor to just combine certain clothing or certain accessories to just be combined with, let's say, a female body, and then you can do the rest for the male body. So that's really great. I feel that that's something that people been requesting a lot. So that's something that I am really excited about, having this Raptor Ultra there. And of course, I'm also getting a feedback on the 2D version of the Raptor, which is mainly for generating the 2D images. So that's probably for the people who draw, 2D sort of layers, and then they combine it in a more of the fashion like the apes, the Bored Ape Yacht Club, where it's actually all drawn and then just combined very cleverly with the layers. So this Raptor actually was released before the 3D version for the Blender, and so I am now planning to also update it to have all the features that are similar to the Raptor Ultra. So you would be able to set the rarities, and also doing the rule settings to include the traits that should be combined together. And so that's what is coming probably next. And so that's all about the Raptor. So we're gonna close it now. And then in terms of the channel, I also feel that it's too tight, kind of, with the NFTs. So you probably will expect, and you should expect, some more videos on certain topics that I'm just interested in and that I'm just passionate about, and so there will be a little bit of a rebranding of the whole channel, and finally we'll get rid of that red strong color because it's just too aggressive, I would say. And so that's a next chapter, because the last year we had a sort of a start of this whole NFT thingy, and so I wanted to be aggressive and thus the red color. But now I think and just some part of myself is more kind of leaning towards the colors, and in general the whole concept of the art is probably lying somewhere else and not in the red color of blood. And so that's something that I hope that you will appreciate, and on my side I will probably just have a lot of fun with the whole new concept of the channel. And beside that, I think that everything is actually going well, beside the fact that I'm thirsty now. So thank you so much for staying here and the whole time. I know that it's probably gonna be only my brother who will be watching the entire video. So or maybe not even my brother. So thank you so much for watching and listening. Today's been a lot of listening, and I'll see you out there in the videos. So take care. Good luck, and good luck in your life and in everything you do, and be persistent and don't give up. I think that's something that we are missing these days, the courage and the persistency. So, or they call it grit, I don't know. So take care. Thangys.